That's right, and the jury gets to hear this probably next week. And jurors jury saw some of the evidence that we didn't see. Even daily observers in the courtroom didn't see all the evidence. The most graphic stuff was for the jurors' eyes only. And the question is, how will that affect the bomber's sentence?
The horrific sounds and images in this spectator video not fit for a television broadcast without careful editing. But jurors watched it uncut twice during the first phase of the Boston bombing trial. They have also seen gruesome autopsy photos of the 4 victims that were not shown publicly. Jurors heard survivors like Bill Richard tell his story in excruciating detail and saw his son Martin's scorched and tattered clothing. The evidence resulted in a clear and overwhelming verdict, the jury finding Dzhokhar Tsarnaev guilty on all 30 counts. But will it be enough to convince the same jury he should pay with his life?
I think the prosecution has to prove that it is as bad as it gets, the heinousness of this, the impact, and we've seen a lot of that already, but also what was in his mind and heart. And the defense really has to try and say, you should take some measure of pity on this defendant. Whether the defense can do that or not remains to be seen.
The jury selection process gives us some insight as to how these 7 women and 5 men feel about the death penalty. The 4-woman, a restaurant manager, told the judge she's not for or against capital punishment. It's a defendant's own actions that are determining the sentence. Juror 138, a water department worker, told the judge the death sometimes seems like it would be an easy way. Juror 441, an unemployed man, said the death penalty applies to severe evil acts. And Juror 83, a student, said, I think the death penalty is valid in terms of a good punishment, but it depends on the severity of the crimes.
And no one's expecting the deliberations to go as quickly as they did yesterday. After this is all done, the court has indicated it will make counseling available to any jurors who might need it. Live at the federal courthouse, I'm Kelly Tuthill, WCVB News Center 5.